This tutorial will explain how to record a payment received from an agent in Brokermint. You can record a payment received from an agent from 3 places: an agent ledger page, a transaction ledger page, or the main menu. To record a payment received from an agent ledger, navigate to Accounting under Overview. Select Agent Ledgers, and then locate and click an agent whose payment you would like to record. On their agent ledger page, click Actions in the top right-hand corner and select Record Payment Received. In the wizard that appears, select whether the new payment received is related to any existing Brokermint real estate transaction with a specific address or not. If related, type in the address, locate the transaction, and then click Continue. Now select the payment date, the payment method used, and the general ledger account the payment has been deposited to. Then provide the reference number and amount. The reference number is optional and usually contains the check number or credit card transaction ID. Finally, apply the payments to one or more invoices in the Applied To section. When done, click Create. You are all set. The new payment received becomes immediately available on the agent side on their billing page. To record a payment received from an agent from a transaction ledger, navigate to Transactions under Overview and select a transaction by clicking it. In the main menu, select Commissions under Assets, and then select Ledger under Commissions. On the transaction ledger page that appears, click Actions in the top right-hand corner and select Record Payment Received. You'll see the same new received payment wizard we just opened and filled out together from the agent ledger page. Fill out the fields, click Create, and you're all set. You can also record a payment received from an agent from the main menu. To do that, navigate to Accounting under Overview, click the Add button in the main menu, and select Received Payment. You'll see the same new received payment wizard we just opened and filled out together from the agent ledger and transaction ledger pages. Fill out the fields, click Create, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.